Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Sahil, studying in SVCE College of Engineering, Bangalore from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, semester 2nd, course title Introduction to Civil Engineering. Topic Criteria for selection of landfill and urban flood control. Landfill comes last in the waste management hierarchy. Large land required high capital cost for landfill facility. Valuable resource is buried potential for groundwater contamination and air pollution. Capital O&M cost of leachate treatment. Landfill component requirements vary, depend on the characteristics of waste, method of operation and nature of the landfill site. Inert landfills, sanitary landfills, secure landfills, monofills, bioreactor landfills, sustainable landfills. These are the components requirements for varying landfills. Landfill citing several consideration. Haul distance close to waste generation from an engineering point of view. Location restrictions. Airports, floodplains, wetlands. Available land perhaps for 25 years per minute for 15 years. Site access or infrastructure. Capacity of the road network minimize passing of residents, proximity to railroad lines for long hauls. Landfill citing several considerations: soil conditions and topography, cover materials and excavation, climatological, precipitation or evaporation for drainage and leachate control, prevailing winds for litter and dust control. What is flood? Flood means an overthrow of a large amount of water beyond its normal limits, especially over what is normally dry land. Flooding may occur as an overflow of water from water bodies in which the water overtops or breaks leaves, such as a river, lake, or ocean accumulation of rainwater. Types of floods: river flood, flash flood, rain flood, tidal flood, urban flood, catastrophic flood, downstream flood. River flood. A flood occurs when a river or stream overflows its banks. Seasonal floods are the norm in many rivers. For example, when spring rains or snow melt increase the flow. Flood. A flash flood is a rapid flooding of low-lying areas, washes, rivers, dry lakes, and depressions. It may be caused by heavy rain associated with a severe thunderstorms, hurricanes, tropical storm, or melt water from ice or snow flowing over ice sheets or snow fields. Rain flood, rain fed flood. During monsoon period, some areas are inundated by heavy rainfall. Rain fed flood interconnected with river flood. Tidal flood. Tidal flooding is capable of majorly inhibiting natural gravity-based drainage systems in low-lying areas when it reaches levels that are below visible inundation of the surface but which are high enough to incapacitate the lower drainage or sewer systems. Conclusion: An area goes under and remains under water for some times. It is inundation. When inundation causes damage to property and crops, disrupts communication and brings harmful effect to human beings as well as to flora and fauna, we call it flood. Inundation supports fish navigation, soil fertility, ecosystems, groundwater recharge, etc. Flood management measures are aimed at reduction of damage and harmful effects and creation of an environment for enhanced economic activity. Urban flood versus flood in rural areas need to be treated differently. Flood control is neither possible nor desirable. Thank you.